I did see one question, brush care. So
Always good to talk about.
yes, so for brush care, you can use acetone to clean your brushes. Always, always make sure that when you clean your brushes, you can use a cotton pad or you can use a paper towel. But when you're cleaning your brushes, always like this, in the same direction as the bristles. Never this, never this, never
Don't go around in
this.
circles. Yeah.
Because that will cause your bristles to frizz, and then it's going to make it very difficult for reverse stamping. So every time I clean my brush, all I do is go like this. I'm going in a line,
Yeah.
making the bristles go this way because we want the bristles to stay pointed like this. So if it's just gonna go like that.